Okay, here's the plan. Just arrived today, good old Amazon Prime, 1 day delivery. So that's 1/8 copper piping. I think they use it for refrigerators and things like that. The end was crimped off where they'd obviously just cut it with some sharp snips, but I've just got the hacksaw, just made it a nice clean job, did it up. So that will basically, when I've drilled that bit out, that'll be going in there. Now I just need to drill this bit out, so it's still got a bit of the old brass tubing still in there. So I don't know whether I might have to get the pillar drill on it, have a go just to sneak it out, and hopefully this will have a nice snug fit in. Then I'll mark the length of it to where the top of the probably where the top of the shoulder is, around here, probably kind of just where the top of the shoulder is on the float chamber, and just bring it up to that level and then see how we go. Okay, so that's why it's always good just to double check, but the actual overflow pipe, it's had it then, there it is, actually protrudes past the edge of the, that's the original one, so it actually comes past the edge of the float bowl there. So this is the new one that I've cut, which again, you know, I've done it so it kind of protrudes a little. I might have to put a touch of solder on. I mean, I've drilled it out and it is in there. It is in there quite well now because it won't come out, but I might just, for the peace of mind, just pop a touch of solder down the bottom end just to see if I can get a bit of seeping in just to secure it, but it is quite a nice snug fit anyway. I'll pop a bit of fuel in there in a minute and see how we go. Okay, so there we go, soldered in, new little pipe, try with a bit of fuel in there, where it should sit. I don't know if you can see that in this light, but it is dry, hopefully it'll last. So that's both techniques worked. Soldering up the old pipe, that seems to be, it's back on the bike now, but that seems to be nice and dry. And then this one as well, replacing it with a pipe. Quite an easy job, to be fair. I think it was about a 3mm, just under a 3mm drill bit, straight down there, and then 1/8 pipe just snugly fits in there. Touch of solder round, and it's holding off for now, so fingers crossed we'll be okay. Get it back on the bike now, get the bike running. Back on the bike, and so far no leaks, so far we're looking good. So we'll see if we can get it running up. Fuel's on, I know there's fuel there, I've opened up outlets. And okay, so far so good.